Namaste and welcome to our podcast San Talks, powered by San Softwares, where innovation meets implementation. Hi, I'm your host for today, Chanda Pandey. So let me tell you what San Talks is, what we are doing here. So basically here we are discussing about the emerging trends in technology. Along with that, we'll be discussing here about the insights with the industry experts and the industry leaders. So in today's inaugural episode, we'll be discussing about the empowering the people who are working in Ayurvedic industry or the industry leaders who are in Ayurveda sector. So here we'll be discussing about the implementation of order management solution and how they can sustain and grow their business through order management solution. So for that, we are having an expert. So we are pleased to welcome Mr. Jagwan Singh, who has got around 25 years of experience in running a SaaS-based product company. Along with that, he has 28 years of expertise as an engineer. So pleasure to have you, sir.
Thank you, Chanda.
So we wanted to know, our viewers wanted to know कि what is actually San Softwares, आपने San Softwares कैसे start किया, what is the clientele and the product you have?
So basically, San Software was started in 2000 only, and earlier I was working as a freelancer. I started this in 1997. 1997 to 2000, I worked as a freelancer. Then I registered this company. Now we have more than, let's say, 1500 plus clients, and from among 1500 we have more than 700 call centers clients, so who are using our call center services. So our expertise in only telecom sector. Okay, so all our team are actually expertise on telecom sector. We develop various kind of solution like hosted IVR solution. We have Omni call center contact center solution. Then we have a Veda ERP. Then we have a order management system. There are multiple products, but all of the products are somewhere related to the telecom. So whenever there is a software requirement and they need a CTI solution, so client will come to us.
Okay, great.
That's
so
our expertise.
So you are a big name in telecom industry, right?
You can say that.
Yeah. So as you're a key figure behind the order management solution, especially in Ayurvedic industry, right?
Mhm.
So what motivated you most to develop the solution, especially for the Ayurvedic industry?
Actually, we got one requirement from our client regarding the call center solution. So our team visited them and they told us about their Ayurvedic process. So how they get the order, how they process that order, how they confirm the invoicing, and how they deliver the material. So these kind of activities they were doing in Excel file only. So they explained their requirement to our team. So we got all the requirement in detail. Then we decided that we should develop one more product which will be connected to the call center solution. So they give their ad into TV and various channel, and they get multiple calls and in bulk, but they want to receive a call also and they want to book a order also. They need to check their stock, means there are means multiple options they want to cater there. So that's why we decided to develop a order management software, but it should be connected to the telephony only.
Okay.
So this was the key requirement of that client. Then we replicated this solution to multiple clients. So we got multiple requirement regarding the Ayurvedic company, because none of the software is already available which is integrated with the call center solution and perfectly for this Ayurvedic company.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So, sir, basically, it's an end-to-end order management solution, starting from calling and fulfilling the order. How it is actually?
Yes. So what happens? They promote their product on teleshopping or maybe social media or maybe various channel, Facebook or various website or like this. So we have all kind of API integration where we are getting leads. So whenever we are getting leads, so we send quotation from our software. If client confirm, then we process the order. On order confirmation, there is another team who call the client and get the order confirmation. After order confirmation, they take payment, then payment to delivery team, from delivery team to that packing team. The packing team take out label printout, and they integrate all the APIs. So we have all kind of API integration also for courier companies. And then payment confirmation means all the process cycle of order management company or Ayurvedic company is already there in this
Okay,
software.
that means they can manage the whole process then.
Yes.
Okay.
Even though they can also manage their branches and their inventory too.
Great. So actually, this is the end-to-end order management solution,
Yes,
starting
yes.
from order to
Yes.
fulfilling the order, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, other order management solution जो market में available है, apart from that, you have one order management solution that we call SanOrdo.
Mhm.
So, how it is different?
So first of all, it's not for a general order management software like in manufacturing companies or for trading companies. It's specially designed for the teleshopping companies who take order in bulk. So they get order around, let's say, thousands, or in thousands they get the order, and they have to process those orders, they have to deliver those orders. So it's not like basic order management system.
Right.
So this is the main key feature, and this is all integrated with the calling solution.
Okay.
So if delivery team wants to make a call to the customer, so they can directly click from the order only, and they can connect to the client. So everywhere there is a telephony integration.
Okay. So सर आपने कुछ challenges face किए या आपकी टीम को कुछ ऐसे challenges market में जो आयुर्वेदिक companies face करती हैं, जो जिसके लिए आपने कुछ specialized approach या आपकी टीम ने कुछ ऐसा specialized approach उसके लिए बनाया हो
No,
to implement the solution or to develop the solution?
नहीं, ऐसे तो कोई challenges नहीं थे, because we were directly connected to the client and their internal team about their processes. So generally how we work, we understand the client requirement thoroughly, then we decide how the process should go. So according to that, we designed the software so that they don't need to do manual work in Excel file, or they are taking output in Excel file and they are sending for label printing. So we develop all kind of means work in the order management software.
डिस्कस करते हो सोल्यूशन या ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, तो आपने कुछ ऐसा देखा है कि उन्हें कुछ मिसकंसेप्शन है अबाउट ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट सोल्यूशन, या जब आप उन ओनर्स के साथ या बिजनेस ओनर्स के साथ आयुर्वेदिक इंडस्ट्री में आप ये सोल्यूशन डिस्कस करते हो, तो कुछ ऐसा आपने फेस किया है?
हाँ, we face that kind of means misconception about this order management software. So basically they are not aware about how this order management system works.
Right.
So they tell their own requirement. Like recently we got one requirement about the order management. They simply given the requirement that we need to punch the order and take export to take a label printout and to make an invoice from different software. Then we explain them, why do you need those export to take printout and or to make invoice and make labels. So we explain them, so you can integrate, like you can whenever your client is calling, so first the call will land to the call center executive. In some of the Ayurvedic company there are doctor also sitting there. So if they want to discuss with the doctor, so call center executive can also schedule a meeting with the doctor also.
Okay.
So doctor can explain so what actually you need for this Ayurvedic products. So this feature they didn't knew that we can also schedule a call back with the doctor. In this order management system, we already have a video conferencing solution also. If they want to provide video consultancy to the patient, so they can have that feature also.
Okay. So that means they can do the consultation also through your
Yes,
solution.
yes, yes.
Maybe it's a video call, maybe it's
Yes.
a call for the doctor.
Yes,
right?
yes. So there are multiple companies who are using our video consultancy.
Right.
Okay.
तो सर आपके कुछ ऐसे इंटीग्रेशंस हैं या फिर हम कुछ और ऐसे पोर्टल्स हैं जहाँ से ये सोल्यूशन इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं टू रिसीव द ऑर्डर और टू मैनेज द ऑर्डर?
Yes. So अगर हम बात करें, there is a company called Shopify. So everyone wants to start their order taking process immediately. So they have ready-made solution on cloud. So वहाँ पे उनकी वेबसाइट बन जाती है, वहीं से क्लाइंट अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकता है, जो भी ऑर्डर वहाँ पे आ रहा है, एंड दे प्रोवाइड API इंटीग्रेशन ऑल्सो. So Shopify, there are multiple clients who are using Shopify platform. So to take a order and after that process order management process. So once they are taking order on Shopify, or what happens, Shopify send all the order detail to us. We process internally, and whenever we need to raise invoice, we again call their API to submit that invoice into Shopify. In one case, we came to know that they don't want to use Shopify because it's a cloud based and it's very slow to process. So whenever they are getting calls in bulk, they have to punch the order very fast. Okay.
Right.
So in cloud solution, they face regular issue about the slowness. So they don't want to continue with the Shopify for order booking. So they used our order management system to punch the order, and whenever our agent is punching that order into our software, we push all the data to the Shopify through API. So that's make their order management system as a fast process.
तो सर यहाँ पे तो अभी हम शॉपिफाई की बात कर रहे थे, या जहाँ से हम ऑर्डर्स रिसीव कर रहे हैं बेसिकली, तो जब हमें ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट करना होता है तो देयर इज अ होल प्रोसेस कि वो ट्रांजिट में है या ऑर्डर रिटर्न हुआ या डिलीवर हुआ, तो कोई और भी एपीआई इंटीग्रेशन है जैसे कि शिप रॉकेट डिलीवरी या कुछ भी डिलीवरी पार्टनर के साथ?
एवरी order Ayurvedic company has a different tie-up with different vendors. Like someone are using DTDC, someone are using Blue Dart. Means there are multiple courier companies who provide their APIs for this order. So we have integrated multiple courier companies APIs in this, and they also provide tracking. So whenever order is moving from one place to another, they are sending their order update to us, and there is no need to toggle between multiple platform. Everything will be there in the order management system only. So first of all, we have a telephony API integration, then we have a Shopify integration, then we have a delivery company API integration.
तो सर एनी अदर फीचर्स आर देयर जो आप व्यूअर्स को या हमें बताना चाहते हैं कि उसमें ये सारे फीचर्स भी हैं जो आप बताना चाहते हो?
तो इसमें मतलब यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ऑर्डर आयुर्वेदिक कंपनीज में दे प्रोवाइड सप्लाई टू ऑल ओवर इंडिया. ओके, सो बहुत जगह पे क्या होता है कि अगर जैसे एक एरिया है जहाँ पे सिर्फ ब्लू डार्ट की सर्विस है, एक एरिया है जहाँ पे DTDC की सर्विस है, एक एरिया है जहाँ पे सिर्फ इंडियन पोस्ट ही सप्लाई करता है. देयर आर रिमोट एरियाज जहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ वाया इंडियन पोस्ट ही भेजना पड़ेगा. तो वी कैन मैप ऑल द पिन कोड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द कुरियर कंपनीज. So whenever we are punching any order and we specify a specific pin code, so on the basis of that pin code, order management system will suggest which courier company you has to use. वो एक फीचर है. Then we have a multi branches feature also. If एक कंपनी है जिसका हेड ऑफिस है लेट्स से दिल्ली में, and they have branches all across India, so they get, if for an example they get order from let's say Bihar, so there is no need to process that order from Delhi. So if they have a branch in Bihar, they can directly use our software in Bihar branch and they can process the order. But head office will come to know in which branch how much stock is there.
That means especially they can do the branch management and also.
Yes. Even though there is a hierarchy management also for users.
Okay,
so you can define as many of hierarchy of your users, and there are permission for every user, because it's a very they are getting lead on a particular paid basis. So they run Google campaign and every lead has a huge amount. So they don't want to disclose their email ID, client email ID or maybe phone number. So we have option of number masking and email masking. So you can configure as per your requirement.
तो जैसा कि अभी आपने बताया कि नंबर मास्किंग का भी ऑप्शन है हमारे पास, ईमेल मास्किंग का है, तो आई वाज जस्ट कमिंग टू दैट पॉइंट ओनली कि डेटा कितना सिक्योर है या क्या डेटा प्राइवेसी आप यूज़ करते हैं इन योर सोल्यूशन?
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो मैंने ये बताया कि नंबर मास्किंग और ईमेल मास्किंग का यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है, प्लस हमारा डेटाबेस भी अंदर से एनक्रिप्ट होता है, जहाँ पे मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी किसी का जाके पासवर्ड दे सकता है. सो एवरीथिंग इज एनक्रिप्टेड, so no one can able to see those data.
One more thing.
And we are also ISO certified company, ISO 27001 company. So we process all the development according to the ISO policies, and we do VAPT of our software also. So there is no point of data leakage and everything.
तो जैसा कि आपने बताया कि यूजर बेसिस हम राइट देते हैं, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ डेटा सिक्योरिटी ओनली, कि जिसको जो राइट्स चाहिए हमें वही राइट्स ही दें। जैसे अगर आपके साथ सर कोई ऑन बोर्ड करता है या कोई ऑटो मैनेजमेंट सोल्यूशन लेता है, तो उसका कुछ डिफाइंड प्रोसेस है या किस टाइप का सपोर्ट आप लोग देते हो जब वो आपसे सोल्यूशन लेते हैं?
So first of all, they have to give their requirement. So how is their process? What kind of courier company API they want to use? तो उनके कितने मतलब कॉल सेंटर एग्जीक्यूटिव कितने रहेंगे? Do they have doctor appointment system also? So if like I'm giving you one example of Patanjali. So Patanjali is having a same kind of setup. So they have a call center executive also. They have doctor setup also. So call center executive can check every doctor's appointment. Means they can check the doctor's calendar. So अगर कोई डॉक्टर ए है तो अगर उसका अपॉइंटमेंट किसी स्लॉट में फ्री है तो then only they can assign the call back to that specific doctor. And then we have a lead assignment logic also. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब हमारे पास API से लीड आ रही है, लीड आई और डायरेक्टली हमने मतलब एक बच्चा ही लॉगिन है या 5 बच्चे लॉगिन है, उन्हीं 5 को असाइन होगी और किसी को नहीं होगी. So we have a lead logic also. So on the basis of lead logic, we assign those leads to specific agent. Whether that lead should go to the telecaller or it should go to the doctor.
तो सर इसमें ओमनी चैनल इंटीग्रेशन या डिफरेंट सोर्सेज जहाँ से डेटा आता है वो भी इंटीग्रेशन?
Yes, we do have the omni channel integration. As you are very much aware that today everyone need everything on WhatsApp. They don't want to use their laptop or desktop for this checking and all. So client भी अगर कोई पेमेंट करता है तो they can directly send on WhatsApp कि भाई स्क्रीनशॉट लगा के भेजा कि मैंने पेटीएम कर दिया है, एंड एजेंट विल एबल टू सी those screenshot or those WhatsApp on their screen only. They don't need to toggle between multiple windows. So we have a single window where they can see the client order, client previous complaint, client WhatsApp. So everything in a single screen only. So omni channel का हमारे पास इंटीग्रेशन है. We can get lead from Facebook also and WhatsApp and Twitter and website like this.
So overall सारा इंटीग्रेशन
Yes,
है,
yes.
WhatsApp और ओवरऑल सारा सोशल मीडिया इंटीग्रेशन.
Yes.
तो सर जब हम सोशल मीडिया इंटीग्रेशन की बात करते हैं तो क्लाइंट्स भी क्या वेबसाइट या व्हाट्सएप कहीं पे जाके चैट या मे बी लाइक वीडियो कॉल शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. मतलब अगर क्लाइंट अपनी वेबसाइट पे कुछ ऐसा टूल लगवाना चाहते हैं तो वी प्रोवाइड आर आई फ्रेम इंटीग्रेशन ऑन देयर वेबसाइट. सो जहाँ से क्लाइंट अपना जाएगा, जो भी एज पर द डॉक्टर और एज पर कॉल सेंटर एग्जीक्यूटिव वहाँ पे उनका शेड्यूल दिख जाएगा एंड दे कैन बुक अ scheduled meeting for audio call also or for video call also. And even when client is talking to a call center executive and client says that schedule my video call with doctor on let's say 7th July at 12 p.m. So agent can also check whether the doctor is available on or not on that schedule, and after checking he can also schedule a video call.
तो सर जब हम आई फ्रेम की बात करते हैं, मे बी लाइक पीपल आर नॉट दैट मच अवेयर, तो थोड़ा सा आप अगर उसके बारे में बता दें व्हाट एक्चुअली द आई फ्रेम, सो दैट दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड अ बिट.
iframe is basically one control on a different software. So if somebody having their own software and they want to place some control on that, they just call our API and make that a separate window so that they don't need to toggle between two websites. And they don't need to do much integration, so they just need to place our control on their website, so everything will managed by our team only.
तो सर इसमें कुछ ऐसी रिपोर्ट्स बनती हैं या कुछ ऐसा एनालिसिस जिससे हमारे बिजनेस ग्रोथ में या जो ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं उनके बिजनेस ग्रोथ में हेल्प होती हो?
हाँ, पूरे उसमें डैशबोर्ड्स आता है कि टोटल ऑर्डर वी हैव कितने हैं एंड हाउ मेनी आर पेंडिंग, और इवन दो उनकी स्टेजेस. So how many new orders we have, how many orders we have in confirmation, how many orders we have to raise invoice, how many delivered, how many pending for payment, how many in part payment. So like this. So there are dashboards and reports also, and that is also user wise also. So we also provide agent productivity report. So how many calls agent received and in how much time, how much order they receive, how much order closed by every agent. So we can check productivity of each agent कि भाई कौन सा agent कितने प्रोडक्टिव दे रहा है, कि वो उसने एक सेम टाइम पे लॉगिन कर रहे हैं, मतलब एक की 8 आवर्स की शिफ्ट है, दूसरे की भी 8 आवर्स की शिफ्ट है, बट एक ने तो 100 ऑर्डर क्लोज किए, एक ने 70 ऑर्डर क्लोज किए, तो वी कैन चेक प्रोडक्टिविटी एज पर द रिपोर्ट्स.
तो मतलब वहाँ पे डिफरेंट फिल्टर्स भी होते हैं.
हाँ, सब फिल्टर होते हैं. वी कैन मैनेज बाय ब्रांच और मे बी टीम लीडर. देयर आर सो मेनी फिल्टर्स एंड वी हैव फिल्टर्स फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स आल्सो. सो देयर इज वन मोर फीचर आई मिस्ड आउट. सो वी हैव अ स्कीम मैनेजमेंट आल्सो. सो जहाँ पे हम लोग कूपन भी बना सकते हैं. अब लेट्स से देयर इज अ दिवाली ऑफर और न्यू ईयर ऑफर, सो वी कैन क्रिएट स्कीम्स लाइक दैट एंड देयर इज अ ऑप्शन फॉर timeline, like I want to run this scheme from this date to this date for a specific product, or if you'll buy these many product you'll get a this free product. So there are scheme management also.
Okay. और उसमें टाइम बेस्ड भी हम कर सकते हैं, कितने टाइम तक हमें ऑफर चलाना है,
बिल्कुल
ये सारी
बिल्कुल
चीजें हम कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो सर ये जो ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट सोल्यूशन है, ये जस्ट क्लाउड बेस्ड है या कोई ऑन प्रेम भी ले सकता है, वेयर दे कैन हैव इट ऑन देयर प्रीमाइसेस?
It's all depend on client requirement. So we have solution on cloud also. And if client is looking for on-premises solution, because some of the clients think that they need a data security, they don't want to host on a cloud. So we have a on-prem solution also. So they need to just provide their server. We explain them their server requirement according to their team. So they need to provide those server and we do all setup on their own server.
Okay. So server requirement is basically user based.
Yes, it's all depend on the number of users.
Okay. And sir, what kind of support they are getting अगर वो cloud पे लेते हैं या on prem लेते हैं, तो क्या कुछ difference होता है support में, और what kind of support do you offer them?
हाँ, थोड़ा सा तो डिफरेंस होता है, बिकॉज इफ द सर्वर्स आर होस्टेड ऑन देयर प्रेम, सो दे नीड टू मैनेज देयर सर्वर. They should have some kind of IT team who is managing their server. They should have also backup server. If they are planning to go on our cloud, so everything will be managed by our team. So we have 24/7 support and development are from means on general hours.
So sir, अभी जो हमारे पास ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट सोल्यूशन है, ये स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द डोमेस्टिक क्लाइंट है या इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट कैन आल्सो ऑप्ट फॉर दिस as of
It's not like that. This is basically software. So you can use it in India also and you can use it in abroad also.
now? So sir, finally, what message do you want to give to our viewers or maybe the people who want to use our software? अगर वो टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू अपना बिजनेस ग्रो करना चाह रहे हैं, तो any message that you want to give to them?
Yes. So basically, if you want to use our order management software, so I am 100% sure that it will improve your productivity. So because most of the clients are using manually process, they can't monitor their team performance. So it's better to have a software to manage your team and you'll get everything on a single click. So there are multiple processes which are managed manually, but if you go for a order management software, then there are lots of things which will make your life easy.
So thank you, Jagvant sir. It has been incredibly a great session and it was a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
So the people who are watching us on YouTube can subscribe to our channel, that is San Softwares, and the people who are watching us on Spotify can follow us on San Talks. Along with that, we have an Insta handle that is @San Softwares and the spelling is SANSOFTWARES. So all the links are in our comment section.